I'm Sudhir Pandra. I'm the regional manager of Veloci in the Middle East. Taking care of all the region, and we have offices in Middle East, in Qatar, Abu Dhabi, Saudi, Kuwait, and Oman. And Abu Dhabi is regional head office for the time being. And I have with me my country manager of Abu Dhabi, Mr. Ramamurthy, and also he is looking after the Abu Dhabi operations. And I have with me Mr. G. Prakash. He's our technical manager and also head of our certification body VQMI. And this is a great day for us, and it's a day of celebration. So we are finally moving into Dubai. Especially, we have been accredited by Dubai Accreditation Council as the inspection body, which authorizes us to certify and inspect carry out of all the inspections of the lifting inspections, lifting equipments, and also to carry out other inspections. We had also been given the approval for the Jebel Ali free zone. So literally, we can carry out all the inspections in the Dubai. This accreditation is really tough because the Accreditation Council is very strict in carrying out all the audit on our inspections, and we have to meet up all those international standards to regards to our inspections and regards to the qualification of our personals. And this accreditation means that now we are at the par with any certification inspection body in the world. We had been so far accredited inspection body by UCAS in UK, and now we are here in Dubai also. So we are very pleased here, and that's the reason we are celebrating this event, and we can offer all our services to the clients in Dubai. We are a listed company in the London Stock Exchange. We have listed in the London Stock Exchange from the 2006. And contrary to the other companies, we have utilized these public funds for the listed funds to acquire similar companies which work into our field. And we have acquired companies like K2 in Singapore, which is a marine company specialized in the rig inspection and rope access. And we have acquired another company called Steel Test, which is specialized in the specialized NDT inspections, like specialized, which will be, augmenting our field capabilities in the shutdown inspections. And we have also acquired a company called PDE, which is specialized in the 3D engineering and modeling services, which can make up as-built services for any plant. Where there are plants of the offshore plants or the onshore plants where they don't have any as-built drawings as such, we can just create by laser scanning and 3D modeling, we can create the as-built drawings for those plants. So that's another company we acquired. And we have also acquired a company called Kertech Pipeline Services and Kertech Inspection Services, which are specialized in the CCTV and internal camera inspections. And we are growing at a global level at a 30%, and we have around $200 million turnover, and around this 30% the revenue comes from the Middle East. So Middle East is a larger focus on that, and we are in Middle East we are growing at more than 100% levels, and we have specific exclusive contract with all the major oil companies in the Middle East in all countries. In Qatar we have exclusive contract with Qatar Petroleum, Qatar Gas and RAS Gas, and in Abu Dhabi we have exclusive contract with ADNOC group of companies. Gasco, we have recently won a big contract with Gasco, exclusive for third-party inspection and specialist of manpower services, inspection personals, and we have contract with Zadco, AdGas, ADCO, and we have won a 5-year exclusive contract with Saudi Aramco for inspections at Saudi Arabia, and we have contract with Kuwait Oil Company, Kuwait National Petroleum Company in Kuwait, and joint operations in Kuwait, and also Oman. We have another 5 years exclusive contract with Petroleum Development of Organization of Oman, PDO, in Oman. So in Middle East, our presence is very much felt, and I could personally say that the market share in Middle East in all these companies maybe will be ranking into number one third party inspection and certification company. We have a certification body, and I will ask Mr. Prakash to explain about the certification body in the Middle East.
As a strategy for Veloci's growth, it was always our endeavor to raise the bar and move into certification services, not restricting ourselves only to inspection. So in that process, the first step was taken in UK when VCBL was formed, and we went for accreditation as per 17020 and got the accreditation for CE marking of pressure vessels and lifting equipment. As a corollary to that certification, we also created a subsidiary that is called Veloci Quality Management International, registered in Dubai, the first company in Middle East to have registered for ISO 9000 quality system certifications. We have already got accredited for 9000, 14,000, and we also run accreditation systems for 18,000 and also 22,000. So in this way, we cover the certification part. And then moving further, today's important day was to get ourselves certified to ISO 17020 as an inspection company by the Dubai municipality, and getting ourselves approved for lifting equipments. The next step will be to get ourselves accredited for pressure vessels in Dubai, and this way we will move into the certification regime for all the Middle East countries and call ourselves as inspection and certification in a truly accredited manner.